guys, it's Rachel here, and I'm doing a late video today. I'm not doing a crafting video. I'm giving myself a break because I got right back into it from when I came back from Australia, and today I just really needed to regroup. That being said, I had a bit of a mess in my craft room, and I had these on the floor because I got them before I went away, and they are from the convent. And as you can see, this one is actually tied as it was. I think I slipped in that. I mean, this, I just wanted to, I'm going to pull this out and show you, but the nuns, they're like our people. Look, they made a little notebook. How cute is that? And they added notes everywhere in this little book, and they covered it with this paper. So super cool. So this little bundle is almost as it was. And I'll added that to it. So there's ephemera in here. Look inside. It's full of things. I didn't open any of them because I will start pulling things out. Then I won't want it to move on. So I mean, look at the writing. So there's all kinds of things in here. There's old notebooks. Some of them are really old. Some of them are early 1900s. There's all, you know, ephemera, handwritten stuff. And this bundle, I slipped that in there, but this bundle is as it was. This one I tied together. I grouped it and tied it together. And there's like a notebook that's coming apart full of stuff, and another one, and this is super old. You'll be able to see that. I don't want to pull anything out. And a beautiful old book. This one I put together because and in here there's handwriting and all kinds of fun stuff in here. So there, what I've done is I've put letters on the this is one I grouped together. There's some bigger sort of document sort of things, and then this smaller one that's full of stuff. It's got lots of stuff in it. So yeah, I put letters on them. They're all going to have different prices just because of the different quantities and stuff. This was as it was. I just tied the string around it to hold it all together. It is an envelope chock-a-block with stuff, and I did not take anything out, but it's full of ephemera and handwritten stuff and that sort of thing. The same with this one. A very damaged, but look at all the cool things in there. There's some really cool stuff in there. And I didn't remove anything. This one I put together, but this is a big envelope. Chock-a-block with stuff as well in here. And then all of these extra bits. Another sort of, what is that one? A notebook, or no, that's some sort of book that they covered. Another one, some prayer cards, no, communion cards, and then this. And look, they even hinged it. That's been hinged, that one. And I think that's it for that. I also have this beautiful silk, I think they were lingerie pouches. This is metal embroidery, and I've been hanging on to it for a little while. It will need some repairing, but you could do some lovely slow stitching repair on it. And the birds are just, I think they might even be one strand embroidery. So those are my latest Etsy updates, and I'll try to mail them out as quickly as I can. And as I said, they're going to have I've got them out of order now. They're going to have letters on them, so the prices will vary depending on how much is in them. So I just put those aside. Now I wanted to really, in this video, I wanted to share a little bit about the trip, what we did in our classes. So in our first class, we did these books. That's the front. So this is the original one that Mum had, it's not finished, that Mum had asked me to do, and I made one for myself. So really it's just a place to play. Lily did that for me. Really just play with fabrics, and really it's a process where you learn what you like and what you don't like. I was going to do a little tab there, so I just embroidered those flowers. Have I stitched that one in? I think I have. I'm joining 2 pages together because I had too many pages in this little book. That one's not finished yet, and that's not finished yet. I stitched those together, and that's not finished. So that's that book. And then this was the one I made as my sample for the class. And again, not quite finished. Not quite finished. That's Steffi talking to to the thing to put the timer on. So none of these are finished. So I was doing a vase of flowers there. So yeah, and then some of them are. This one I think I finished. Yep, that one. And I put that there. Really like that. And then this one. Oh, that was an old one that I found. Oh, the sun's just gone behind a cloud. Sorry, guys. That one. And what is it there? And that's not finished yet. So that was the first course that we did. But really it was, I mean, most of the ladies knew what they were doing. So it really was just a case of going around and you know, helping with specific questions. But we provided abundant kits for that one. And then the second course was to make these little art journals. And I've made journals like this before. Yeah, I've cut up things. I've got some left up there, but we did that quite a while ago. But I think I punched holes, and yeah, I punched holes and we did it with a tie. So these ones were just little these, I mean, I've done nothing in these. I've just put random papers in them, and just glued the fabrics, the fabrics down. So they're just random little art journal sort of books, and this one, and different done in different sort of ways. We had everybody think about how did they want to orientate their book. Did they want it landscape? Did they want it to flip up, flip down, or open out that way? And this one I'm doing, this was my little sample, and I'm documenting our trip in Croatia. So I'm sort of working through that. Little pictures there, you can't really see, so it doesn't matter. I put some pictures. I wanted to print out some more pictures, so I've been having fun. That's one of my underpapers with that, and I will slowly finish that one off. And I think I'm going to use one of these, although I might need a bigger spine one. These were soft spine, so they can fold right back almost. I could use one of those for Australia, because I might do. And then this one's just this one was going up, and I was just playing around with different ideas there in that one, and it didn't do any more. So there we go. So that's what our courses were about. And we did, with this course we did a lot of mark making, and I think everybody tapped into their inner child. And then moving to the fleur, this is what I made, and I know you've seen pictures of it, but this is what I made in my fleur course. And that was a 5-day course of pure self-indulgent joy, making, embroidering and chatting and eating cake and just having the best time. And this is all hand stitched. That's the back. And it was mostly beige except for, can you see? Yeah, it was mostly beige except for these bits of embroidery around here and things. And so I then took the plunge and painted it. And Fleur was super excited because I think I was the only one that did that. And she sort of did a demonstration, and then I got all freaky when I just went like this with the paint, just put a little bit on, and I was like, ooh, like this. And then I had to call my sister over, and she got me under control, and she started putting it on, and then I didn't look back, and I really like how it turned out. And then I did rinse it as well, because then it sort of, some of the colour washed out and it became more washed, sort of a wash of colour. So that was so much fun doing that. And it was that much fun that I actually have started another one. I'm doing a mini rock pool. So it's just here, and I'm doing it with colour this time. And so I've got a lot to do still. It looks like it's getting there, but it still needs quite a bit to do. So I've got to add beads and embroidery and all kinds of stuff. So that's what I've been doing, and it's just too much fun. So I'm already thinking of colours for the next one. So I now have a Fleur trolley full of wools and all the things that I need. And yeah, I do. I've got a Fleur trolley. I'll share a little picture at the end of the video. So that's what I've been up to, playing with those. And then I also took, because you remember I did the Fibre Arts Takes 2 course, and this was my second one that I started after that course. I feel like that's the way it should go. And I was really stuck with it. I haven't shared it with you guys before because I was really stuck with it. So I took it and I showed Fleur, and she just gave me some pointers of how I could maybe sort of make it so that I liked it more. And that was really amazing. And then I couldn't put it down, and I'd done this bit here, and I went over it again because I was inspired. So I pretty much all of these parts here, not those bits and not those bits, but all the rest I did again. And then I did that similar. I may outline a little bit of that just so it's sort of stands out. And then that was a recommendation by Fleur to do that in the thread weaving, which I love. And I didn't, and then she told me to outline that, and then I really hated it. So then I went in and did some weaving, and I used Fleur's hand-dyed couple of colours that I got. No, I think one was hers and one I got from the Skein sisters in that we took Juanette to. So yeah, I've been really enjoying that now. I've still got quite a bit to do on this one as well, but it's starting to take shape, and I'm feeling much happier with it. So as you can see, Fleur is my guru, and I just love all the things about Fleur, and so I'm just having fun with it. Just that I'm going to box frame that one. This will be box framed as well. I really am actually loving it. I put some fabric in there as well. I don't know if I'll be able to part with it, but I was thinking maybe it would be a nice gift for my mother-in-law. Her birthday's in, when is her birthday? I think it's in April, end of April. So anyway, I'm going to make some more, so we'll see what happens. So anyway, I just wanted to check in and let you know about the few things about the trip. I did receive some wonderful gifts from everybody, but I haven't unpacked them yet. They're in one of those suitcase pods, and I'm just sorting all my stuff out. I've decided I need to have trolleys in my room because I haven't been pulling out my paints very much. And it's because they're in the shelf in boxes all stacked on top, and it's kind of annoying. So I bought another trolley, and I'm going to put them all in the trolley, and that will free up space in my shelves, so then I can put other stuff there. And the trolleys will just wheel around at my pleasure, and they're not bothersome because they've got wheels, and if I need to open the cupboard, they slide across to the other side of the room. If I need to clean, they just move around, and I think that's a really great way to go. Anyway, I'm going to stop gas bagging. I'm going to go and cook the dinner now. I just wanted to share a little bit with you guys, and I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I will be back tomorrow for Roxy's weekly challenge. Bye.